So, if you're building a career in hospitality, there's one piece of technology you are absolutely going to live and breathe: the property management system. Today, we're going to break down exactly how this digital command center works, and maybe more importantly, how mastering it is the real key to creating an exceptional guest experience.
Hello and welcome. I am a hotel AI expert, and I have extensive experience in modern hospitality operations and performance support. I'm so pleased to welcome all of you, the students of Europe Hotel School, to your online learning journey. We truly look forward to supporting your professional growth in the hospitality industry. Our goal is simple: to give you a rock-solid foundation in how a modern PMS works, so when you step onto that hotel floor, every single action you take feels confident and just intuitive. At the very heart of any modern hotel is the property management system, or what we all call the PMS. The best way to think of it is like the hotel's central nervous system. It's the one single application that connects everything: reservations, the front desk, housekeeping, billing, you name it. Basically, if it's happening in the hotel, you can bet it's happening inside the PMS. Okay, so here's how we're going to break this down. We'll start with the dashboard, that's your command center. Then we'll dive into guest interactions and how to coordinate operations. After that, we'll look at some really great tips for system efficiency before tying it all back to what really matters: creating an amazing guest experience. All right, first up, the dashboard, your digital command center. The second you log into the PMS, this is the first screen you're going to see. It's your mission control, giving you an immediate, high-level snapshot of the entire hotel status right at that moment. And this is the perfect analogy. Before a pilot even thinks about taking off, they scan all their instruments to get a complete picture of the situation. It's the exact same thing for you. Your very first step should always be to read the dashboard. Check your occupancy, see who's arriving, look for critical alerts. You do all that before you dive into any specific task. So what are you actually looking at here? Well, you've got your main navigation bar to get around. You've got a clear snapshot of occupancy, live lists of arrivals and departures for the day, those critical system alerts, and this is huge, the real-time status of every single room from housekeeping. All of these elements together give you a complete, up-to-the-minute picture of your entire operation. Okay, next step, let's move into guest interactions. Because this is where your efficiency and your accuracy in the system directly shape the guest's entire experience and, really, their perception of your service. And I really want you to remember this. Mastering these functions isn't just about following steps on a screen. Not at all. Every smooth check-in, every accurate bill, each one is a touch point that defines that guest's stay. This is where technology translates directly into hospitality. A well-designed PMS just makes sense. It follows the guest's natural journey, what we call the reservation lifecycle. Right from the moment a booking is created, through the check-in, their actual stay, and that final checkout, the system is designed to guide you logically. This intuitive flow is what makes it so powerful once you get the hang of it. Now, within that lifecycle, you're primarily working with three key areas. You've got reservations for handling all the bookings, you have guest profiles, which are gold mines for personalizing the stay with preferences, and then you have the folios for managing billing with total transparency. Honestly, excelling in these three areas is absolutely non-negotiable for a premium guest experience. All right, now let's pull back the curtain a little bit and look behind the scenes. In this section, we're going to explore how the PMS is really the bridge between departments, making sure the front desk, housekeeping, and everyone else works together like one seamless team. The evolution of the room rack is a perfect example of this coordination. We've moved from these physical charts and, honestly, frantic phone calls, which were so prone to errors, to a dynamic digital interface. Now, housekeeping can update a room's status on a tablet, and that clean and ready signal is instantly visible to the front desk. That real-time link is what prevents check-in delays and keeps the entire operation perfectly in sync. So, once you've got the basics down pat, it's time to level up. It's time to become a power user. This is all about mastering the tools that will make you not just proficient, but truly proactive and incredibly efficient in your role. Think of these features as your secret weapons. Those system alerts, they're not annoyances, they are safeguards that catch problems before they happen. Search bars and keyboard shortcuts save you precious seconds during a busy check-in rush. These tools are designed to help you anticipate needs and solve issues before they ever even impact a guest. And finally, let's bring all of this together. Why do we learn this system so thoroughly? Well, it's because mastering this technical skill is, at its very core, about mastering a fundamental hospitality skill. This right here, this is the ultimate takeaway. When you are truly confident in the system, you no longer have to stare down at the screen searching for the right button. Your focus can shift from the monitor to the person standing right in front of you. You can make eye contact, you can smile, you can actually engage. And that is true hospitality. And it is so critical to remember the PMS is a tool. It is not the job itself. Your goal is not to be the fastest clicker in the hotel. It's to use this incredibly powerful tool to create an environment that feels welcoming, efficient, and genuinely caring for every single guest that walks through your doors. So I'll leave you with this one question to think about. As you move forward in your career, how will you personally use this system, not just to manage rooms and reservations, but to truly elevate the guest experience? That's the real challenge and the real reward. Thank you for your time.